Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. Hope your holidays are going great. We're back. So look, last time we talked, we were talking about doing the kaleidoscope, right? So look, we're gonna go with a kaleidoscope. So I wanted to put this up so you can see that I'm working on it, all right? But we're gonna do one together and we're gonna do it step by step, okay? Now don't let this distract you, all right? I had to do like a sample strip so I could see where this is going, or if I can keep up with Rob Appel, because he's the one I'm following on this. But you know, Bruce Seeds is the one who really like motivated me to do this. He was the first one that I saw and he inspired me to do a kaleidoscope, all right? So you know how I can get zoned in on something, and the kaleidoscope is where we're gonna go. It's my very first one, so let's do it together. So the last time we talked, we were talking about using this fabric. We're not gonna use this fabric, okay? I can't find enough of it, and I kind of wanted to use something a little more intense. So I went with this fabric right here. Let's go to the table. Here we are. You know what? You can find this, you know where you can find this at, right? This fabric right here, this beautiful Japanese flower fabric. You guessed it, thequiltingmarine.com. So you can go to the store, you can pick this up. This is what we're gonna use for our kaleidoscope, okay? You're gonna need a couple of things, all right? You're gonna need a very sharp or new blade on your rotary cutter. We've got one of these, we got these at, yes, you guessed it, thequiltingmarine.com. Sharp blade, okay? Very sharp blade, because you're gonna be making some really precision cuts, all right? I have a 6-inch, 60-degree triangle ruler here that we're going to be using, all right? And of course, our regular good old-fashioned never let me down Omnigrid ruler here, all right? And these are the tools we're going to be using, okay? So when we come back, when we start off, all right, we're going to be getting the very important parts of this together, okay? Some very, very important steps you need to make, okay? So we're going to be measuring this, all right? So this is a 12-inch repeat, and that's what we're going to use, a 12-inch repeat. The other fabric that we had was a 24-inch repeat, but we're going to just go with this. We're going to try to keep it as simple as possible, all right? We don't want to shake off any new quilters. We want new quilters to come on in on this, all right? All quilting is being able to follow directions and patience, okay? So that's what we're going to use on this quilt, all right? It's going to be our very first, don't mind that noise, that's the new dog. The new dog is like really been testing us lately, all right? The new dog, Gracie, she's really been running us rampant. That's why my bags are really apparent, because I stay up with her all day. But I digress, all right. We're gonna be measuring this off. We're gonna get accurate cuts. Your cuts have to be precision, all right? So you don't have to be, you know, a great surgeon or anything. We just want good, precise cuts. We're gonna be making exact cuts on this. So that's why you need a very sharp blade or a very new blade, because we don't want anybody making a left turn when we're all making a right turn, okay? We're gonna be making a left turn. You guys know I'm not a great rule follower, but I also want my new quilters to go ahead and enjoy the great process of building our very first kaleidoscope, okay? I'm very excited, all right? Bruce Seeds, here I come. I'm coming after you, guy. But yes, this is our first one, and we're gonna go forward with this, okay? So get your tools ready. Next video is gonna be dropping. We're gonna be measuring and cutting our strips and getting ready for our stack and whack in our very first kaleidoscope, okay? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.